If you want to set a photo as a wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, then in this case you want to open settings, scroll down over here in order to choose wallpaper and style, and then we're gonna go to change wallpapers. Over here we have gallery, so you can use these folders that we have detected over here, but also we can tap on the gallery text itself in order to open the library, and then we can choose the photo that we wish to set as a wallpaper. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one. We can select it and press down in the upper right corner. Then we can also choose to set it for the lock screen and home screen, both of them or separately, just one of these screens. We can go next. There we go. Now we have the adjustment of the wallpaper. You can zoom in and zoom out. We can move left and right over here if possible, in order to adjust the wallpaper. And at the bottom we also have additional options like the frame option and the effect option, so if you want to apply any of them, then of course you can easily do that. And once you are done with the customization, we can press down in the upper right corner of the preview. You can also tap on that home button that you probably noticed, and it allows you to preview the home screen as well. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.